So hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about connecting Google Auth client to Make.com. Since many people connecting and making automations on Make.com use @gmail.com account. So this is one of the problems I faced during making one of my automations which you have seen in the previous video. So in this video, I'll be taking you through how to solve that problem. And this is a 100% guaranteed solution since this is the solution given by Make.com itself. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. So first, let me create a scenario. Okay. Now let's add Gmail module to this. We'll just add watch emails. And here, as you can see, I am getting an option to create a connection. So I'll create my connection. And here, if I want to sign in with Google, and if I select my account, and if I continue, then here I'll get an error. Right, it is not possible, and many of you people may have seen this error who have tried connecting their @gmail.com account to make.com. So let's see how to solve this. If you want to join make.com, there'll be link down in the description, so you can join from there, and there will be another link that will lead you to Google Console Cloud. So after going on that link, you will come to this website, connect your Google account from which you are making that make.com automation, then go here, select a project and make a new project. You can name the project anything you want. I'll just name it make test 1, and you don't need to add any organization or location. That's fine. Now create. After this step is done, here you can see in the notifications project is created. So let's select this project so we can work on this. After this, just search on the menu bar Gmail API. You will get this result. Go on the Gmail API and enable it. Once we enable the Gmail API, then we'll move to the further step. After enabling this, go to the OAuth consent screen, get started, and then name your app Make. I'll just name it Make, and I'll use this Gmail which I'm using for Make.com. Next, for audience, you want to be selecting external audience. For contact information, enter the Gmail that you have selected. Next, and then create. Great. So after reaching to this page, create OAuth client. Now we'll do this step later, but first go to branding, and then in the authorized domain, add domain which I'll be linking down in the description under authorized domain section, that is make.com. Add another domain and name it integromat, since integromat is the previous name of make.com. Right, so now save it, and then you have to go in the audience section. First we'll wait for this to be saved. This is saved. Now we'll go in the audience section. We'll add a user, and here we'll add our email address. Then we'll click on save. Then we want to go to the data access section. We want to click on add or remove scopes. Now below in the description, I'll be giving you 2 more links under the data access section. You have to just add those links to this table. First link is this, so add to the table, and the second link will be this, add to the table, and then update. Once this step is done, click on save. Now it's time to create an OAuth client. So go on the client section, create a client, and now in the application type, you can select web application. Name, you can give it any name according to your convenience. I'll just name it make test. And then in authorized redirect URLs, just add the URL I will be giving under authorized redirect URLs. So now create. Great. Now we have our client ID and a secret code. I will be deleting this after, so don't try to use this client ID or client secret code. Okay. So we'll go back to make.com, create a connection, Google restricted connection. I'll just turn on the advanced settings. I can name it anything, so I'll just name it Google settings make. And then here in the client ID, I'll put the client ID, and then in the secret code, I'll copy the secret code and paste it there. Great. I will be redirected to this authorization page where I have to again select the Google account which I want to use. I'll select on continue. Don't worry, it is completely safe. Again, we select on continue and just don't forget to check this box and then continue again. I don't think it's necessary to save this. And now you have at gmail.com account connection to make.com. Great. So now you can use it for further modules. So I hope this video was helpful. This technique was given by make.com itself to connect our Gmail account. Don't forget to join make.com from the link given down in the description. And all the links which are used in this video are provided down in the description section by section. So you can go through it. Thank you.